Hello, hi. I'm Ravichandra Ratnur and I'm a teacher in Government MGPS Abjalpur. Today, we can learn a lesson about articles. I hope you enjoy the lesson and learn few interesting ways of how to use articles in your daily conversation and writings. So, let's begin. What are articles? Articles are these three important words a, an, and the. We are going to begin with an. In the letters, in the alphabet A to Z, we all know vowels and consonants. Vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. When you want to place article an, you always remember that you place the article an in front of the word beginning with a vowel. For example, apple. Here, the word begins with the vowel A. So, we have to write an before apple. If I talk about elephant, again we are using the article an because the word elephant begins with a vowel E. Then the third word is inkpot, which I have written on the board. We are using the article an again because the word starts with a vowel I. Fourth example is orange. Again, an orange because O is a vowel here. Last one is umbrella. Again, it's an umbrella. So, we have learned that we have to use the article and before the word beginning with a vowel. Okay. There are few exceptions. Here, let's take the word honest. The word honest, H is silent here. Then the word begins with the vowel O. So, we have to use the article an before honest. The word our is also like this, an our. Now, let's come to the another article a. You use the article a when you are talking about something in general, a book, a girl, a flower, like this. And another easy step to remember is consonants. We have to use the article a before the word starts with a consonant. Like, I give an example of a book. The word book starts with B. B is a consonant. That's why I am going to say a book. Another example, pencil. P is a consonant. Again, it's a pencil. The third important tip you have to remember is when you are going to talking about something for the first time, you have to use a. For example, I ate a banana. So, I haven't mentioned about any banana before. I am talking about the banana for the first time. So, I placed article a before banana. And another point, the word banana also start with a consonant b. So, obviously, a banana. Now, let's come to the article the. When you are going to talk about something specific or unique, you have to use the article the. For example, the Taj Mahal, the Ramayana, the Quran, etc. Another point and another important tip, the second point you have to remember is when you are going to say something about, for second time. For example, I ate a banana. The banana was very sweet. I used a in the first sentence before the word banana, but I used the in the next sentence. In the first sentence, I am saying about the banana for the first time, so I used article a. In the second sentence, I used the before banana because I am saying about the banana for the second time. Okay, today we have learned about articles. See you in next lesson. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.